What if I told you there's a smartphone that can easily last 2 full days, maybe even more, and it doesn't cost flagship money? This is the Honor Power 2, and today we're going to talk about why this phone could be one of the best battery-focused smartphones of the year, especially for people in the US. If you're new here, make sure to hit subscribe, and let's get into it. Let's start with the biggest reason anyone is looking at this phone: the battery. The Honor Power 2 comes with an absolutely massive battery, which means you can go all day and still not worry about charging at night. I'm talking about heavy usage: YouTube, navigation, social media, gaming, and this phone just keeps going. For people in the US who commute, travel, or just hate carrying a power bank, this is a huge win. And when you finally do need to charge, fast charging helps you get back up quickly, so you're not stuck waiting around. Honor didn't just focus on battery. The display here is smooth, bright, and very enjoyable. Whether you're watching Netflix, scrolling TikTok, or gaming, everything feels fluid and responsive. The design is clean and modern. It feels solid in the hand, not cheap, and definitely not like a budget phone. Yes, it's a bit thicker, but honestly, that's the trade-off for insane battery life, and I'll take that any day. Performance is another strong point here. For everyday use, social media, multitasking, browsing, the Honor Power 2 handles it smoothly. This isn't trying to be a gaming flagship, but for casual and even moderate gaming, it does the job without issues. For most people watching this video, performance will not be a problem. Camera-wise, Honor keeps things practical. You get a smart AI camera system that delivers good photos in daylight and solid results for everyday use. Is it beating a $1,000 flagship? No. But for social media, video calls, and casual photography, it's more than good enough. This is where the Honor Power 2 really makes sense. You're getting massive battery life, a good display, reliable performance, and decent cameras without paying flagship prices. For students, workers, travelers, or anyone who just wants a phone that won't die halfway through the day, this phone makes a lot of sense. You should consider the Honor Power 2 if you care about battery life more than anything, you want a reliable everyday phone, you want strong value for your money. If you need the absolute best camera or top-tier gaming performance, this might not be for you, but that's not what this phone is trying to be. The Honor Power 2 is all about power, endurance, and practicality. It's the kind of phone you stop worrying about, and that might be its biggest strength. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe for more tech content, and let me know in the comments. Would you choose battery life over everything else?